So there is no George. But he wants some more. This little guy wants some more food.
Through my lifetime, it's in the night time when I feel alright. But still,
But these guys won't like you.
looking for some sign.
Okay.
Trying to always find
Come on then, Papa.
to remind me, open up
Leave the
my
goose
eyes
alone. Come here.
I'll be
Come.
fine.
No, don't touch the goose. Do you want to have something to eat? There you go. And I feel really sorry for this goose now. Oh, there's nothing I can do. I can see he's really angry. You see those feathers up? Ah, there's a dog. That'll probably be the only thing that will send him back. That goose has been saved because of that dog. There. Yep, he's going back.
Trying to always find anything to remind me, open up my eyes to see that I'll be fine. The door's still closed, but hope's alive. I feel it growing deep inside. One day I'll step beyond these walls and answer when the outside calls. I'll take my time, there's no rush now, but I can see the when and how. With every breath I feel more free. A world out there waits patiently. I'm always looking for some sign, trying to always find
Good boy.